So let's get right into the website cryptoeq.io. Again, their tagline, crypto is complex, we make it simple. And that is exactly what they do. This is a free or paid service that you can get a plethora of information on. I'm going to click you through some things. I'm going to take you here to the bottom of this site where you can see, number one, what they offer. So they offer real-time market summary advice. They also have a lot of independent research. Like when I talk about the solution to DYOR, do your own research, this is it. There are like 20 or 25 different core reports that goes into a nauseating detail about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many of the other top 45 cryptocurrencies. And you can also get one-on-one personal consulting from them. So let's go into it. Let's go into my dashboard. Y'all know I'm Team Bitcoin and Team Ethereum first, and then Team Cardano third. I should say second. I don't know, second, third, whatever. But there's still a lot of other cryptos out there. Now, one thing this website and the services they provide does not cover is those crazy, obscure, brand new, unreliable altcoins. So if you are an avid altcoin buyer, altcoin researcher, and I'm not talking about the top 45 because that's covered by market cap, top 45 by market cap. This site is to help you invest in reputable cryptocurrencies that will make you some money. So here on the right side, they just have top crypto alerts where they're telling you to hold something or pull back on it based upon the investor signal. So what I also like about this is they don't just cater to investors, they also cater to day traders. So I keep my tab generally on the investor button, but sometimes I am making short-term trades for particular reasons. And that's when you want to click to the day trader button, and that changes the signal. Because what a day trader is going to do when it comes to day-to-day buying and selling of crypto is different than what an investor does. So I'm going back to the investor. Right now this is sorted from the highest market cap to the lowest, putting Bitcoin and Ethereum right there at the top. The current signal as of today, what is the date today? I don't know. I don't have my watch on. I think it's the 10th, 9th or 10th. Don't quote me. I don't be knowing my days of October. But anyway, they had Bitcoin and Ethereum. They had a buy signal, and then they switched to a pullback signal. I think it was yesterday or the day before. As we scroll down, you see XRP is on there, Solana, Cardano's number 5, and we go all the way down to Kyber Network, which is the last one on this chart by market cap. All right, and then we move to the third column, which is the investor signal telling you if you should pull back on it, you should hold it. Stable coins are listed as such, so they don't have that fluctuation, so they don't need to put a signal on those. Or if you should buy. Monero is currently at a buy. Then you have your core rating, and this is what makes them special. This is what they put their work into. They are giving you a core rating as to whether it is buyable, something you should invest your time, effort, and most importantly, your money into. So they have the core rating, which is rated at gold, silver, bronze. Then they have some that are not rated, some that are neutral, and that's going to be the stable coins, and then some that are deficient. So even if Binance Coin, for instance, a number 6, they're telling you to hold it if you purchased it from the investor signal, but they're telling you it's deficient, and we're going to go into that a little more later. And then we also have the sentiment signal. That is how people, how the buyers, how the community feels about this particular cryptocurrency. So the top 3 are actually at a positive rating. In the final column, you can sort by the price and 24-hour change. For those of you that like to invest in things that are fluctuating rapidly, this may be a column that you're interested in. And you can also click the star button here, and you can add these particular cryptocurrencies that you like to your alerts. All right, moving on, let's go into, actually, let me click into, let's do Ethereum today. I'm feeling especially Ethereum-y today. So when you click into Ethereum, it's telling you its current price alert. It's telling you if you purchased in it and you want to come out of it, then this would be a good time to pull back. Now, if you are a hodler, hold on for dear life, then that signal means nothing to you because you're going to hold it regardless. All right, right over here we have a view of the price report. They go from 4 hours into the past all the way up till the whole lifetime of Ethereum. And you can see how it's grown since then. Then we go into the reports. So this is the abridged version for those of you that don't have the gall to sign up for the, no, I don't want to say that. For those of you that aren't quite ready to sign up for the premium version, you will still have access to this report, all of these reports, the abridged version of them. And as you can see, as I scroll through, I don't know if you can see the bar on the side here, but this bad boy is long. It's full of, it starts off with its strengths, goes down to its weaknesses, it gives you its links, it gives you places in here you can click into to find out more information. It talks about the use cases, how Ethereum plays into the DeFi space. You have charts, you have graphs, it talks about Ethereum 2.0 and going on and on. I'm still scrolling. Now this is all part of the free membership that you get. This is the abridged report and I am still going, okay? So that's how long that is. Now if you win, you do get the premium membership that I fully encourage you to do, at least try it out. You click on the full report and it is probably 4 or 5 times as long. And it just goes on and on and on forever. It has much of the same stuff, but then it's going into more layers. It's comparing it to other cryptos. It's talking about the economics of it, how it relates and intertwines with other cryptocurrencies, and I'm still going, etc., etc. All right. So for the reports alone, for the do your own research portion alone, this membership is worth its weight in gold because you cannot successfully invest and make money in cryptocurrency if you don't know how to do your own research. Now we're in the sentiment report. This is where you're going to find the news that talks about how they came up with their rating for the sentiment. So they're saying Ethereum has a positive sentiment, and we do care how the world views cryptocurrency. I do care how the community views Ethereum. So they give you some access to some articles and headlines that help them, and tweets that help them determine what they've rated the sentiment for Ethereum at. All right, moving on. What does that $19.99 a month or $199 a year buy you? It gives you access, if you have the premium membership, to the Telegram community, the premium Telegram community, and here you can click and find all of the reports, okay? All of the abridged core reports are here. All of the full core reports are here. And they also have an ebook in here called Bitcoin Basics. Also, they've written several articles. They have several newsletters that come out. I mean, if you're trying to learn about crypto, this is the thing. So here's what I do when there's something that costs money and I don't necessarily want to make a long-term commitment. I buy it for the first month and I dedicate myself to going through the whole thing, researching and figuring out, downloading these reports, reading them, studying them, reading the newsletters, reading the articles, going through the tutorials. And I try to do it all in like a month or two so I can get all the meat out of it. Then I make the decision, is it worth keeping or not? I actually did the same thing with the TradingView website when I had the paid membership. I did the same thing with Glassnode as well. So there are many things that are worth your investment, even if it's not for the long term. All right, so coming on out there, when you click on this tab here, it takes you right back to where we were. It's just a direct route to get to all the reports. And they have a more button here that tells you where their communities are. They are all over social media. You can get in. They're very responsive. Like you get into these Telegram groups and you start talking, you're talking straight to the developers of this website, the people that are creating the analysis, the creating the reports. So they are as interested in your success in this as you are. I wholeheartedly believe in them. They are based in Houston, Texas. I've worked with a guy named Raven Moore. He is worked in a lot of courses with me, and he's an investor in this platform as well. So not an affiliate, he's actually an investor in this platform. So I wholeheartedly believe in it. I've been all into the cracks and the weeds of it. I love it, and it makes the aspect of doing your own research so wonderful and so easy. So I highly recommend it. And honestly, if you're getting into cryptocurrency and you're not doing any research, you are truly gambling. So take the gambling out of this and get yourself smart by investing in yourself.